Hello, my friends. Let me tell you something honestly. English is not hard. The way you are trying to learn it is wrong. And today I'll show you exactly how to learn English the smart way. Most people think first grammar, then vocabulary, then speaking. That's why you understand English. But you freeze when you speak. English is not a subject, it's a skill, and skills are trained, not memorized. Step 1. Stop trying to sound perfect. Perfection kills progress. Your goal is not perfect English. Your goal is clear English. Clear waits perfect. If you want to speak English, you must hear English daily. For example, 20 minutes listening every single day, no skipping. What to listen? Simple conversations, slow English videos, and stories. Your brain learns why repetition, not why pressure. Understanding is passive and speaking is physical. Your mouth needs training. Practice method. Let's discuss. Repeat sentences aloud. Shadow native speakers and speak alone for 5 minutes daily. Don't think, just speak. Don't memorize random words. Learn ready made phrases. Example instead of improve. Learn I'm working on improving instead of confused. Learn I need clarification. Phrases make you sound natural instantly. You don't need 5 hours a day. You need 30 focused minutes daily. Consistency is better than intensity. If you practice like these 30 minutes into 30 days, you will see visible change. English rewards discipline. Fear is the biggest enemy. People think, what if I make mistakes? Truth, nobody cares as much as you think. Mistakes are proof you are learning. Silent learners never improve. If you remember nothing else, remember this. Daily formula: listen, repeat, speak, improve. Repeat this process for 90 days. English is not magic, it's a momentum. The difference between someone who speaks English confidently and someone who doesn't is not intelligence. It's practice. Start today, not tomorrow. Comment start. If you are serious about improving your English, and subscribe if you want daily powerful English training.